I never claimed that success should be pursued with the same urgency as the need for food, for one can endure 21 to 30 days without nourishment. Nor have I ever compared the desire for success to the thirst for water. Instead, I emphasize that when you crave success with the same intensity as the very air you breathe, only then will you truly be successful. And one of the things I want to do for you as an educator today is that you don't necessarily need better skills. That's not what you need. Instead, what some of you need is to go from 70% to 120%, and some of you need to go from 80% to 120%. I give 120% because your father isn't present in your life. I give 120% because your dad is incarcerated. I give 120% because your mother works tirelessly at 2 jobs. I give 120% because your grandmother is raising you. I give 120% because you come from a community where education isn't cherished. In your neighborhood, academic achievements aren't celebrated. There's no recognition for excelling at reading or acing your ACTs or SATs. I give 120% because your father can't provide 80%, your mother is too exhausted to give 100%, and your grandmother, worn out from life, can only manage 50%. You talk about striving for success, but lack the drive and stamina needed to push through. After a day or 2 of practice, you're spent. A couple of hours in, and you're already fatigued. Yet, you're up against individuals whose entire lives revolve around their goals. Do you honestly think they'd let you take their dreams away? Desiring success shouldn't be likened to hunger or thirst. It should be as vital to you as the air you breathe. So, are you giving 120%? I once asked my professor what would happen if I failed. He responded, "What happens if you succeed?" I worried about the years invested and the possibility of it all being for nothing. He countered, "But what happens if you put in all these years and achieve your dreams?" There's a distinction between skill and will, 2 completely different things. You were born with innate abilities, but to ascend and maintain your position at the next level, you must possess an unwavering will. When you have the opportunity, why would you give anything less than 120%? Can anyone answer that for me? Why would you settle for 70% or 80%? What's holding you back from giving your all? It's time to let go of the things holding you back and seize the opportunity of a lifetime. Once you grasp the opportunity's enormity, your mindset shifts, and your actions become more intentional. Success isn't about who you are, it's about tapping into your full potential and refusing to settle for mediocrity. I understand the challenges you face, the barriers that stand in your way, and the sacrifices you make to pursue your dreams. I see the tears you shed, the sleepless nights you endure, and the doubts that haunt you. I feel your pain and your struggle, and I know that when you're at your lowest, it's hard to believe that success is attainable. But I'm here to remind you that your dreams are worth fighting for, and that when you're willing to give everything you've got, there's nothing you can't achieve. I believe in you, even when you don't believe in yourself. I see the potential inside of you, the spark of greatness waiting to be ignited. I know that when you choose to embrace the fire within you and push through your limitations, you can accomplish things that once seemed impossible. You can overcome the obstacles that stand in your way and shatter the expectations of those who doubted you. And when you get to work on it, you'll prove to yourself and the world that success is not only achievable but also inevitable. So, I ask you again, are you giving 120%? Are you willing to dig deep, face your fears, and fight for your dreams with every ounce of strength and determination you possess? Are you ready to unleash the greatness within you and show the world what you're truly capable of? If you're not there yet, that's okay. But know that every day is a new opportunity to make a change and to take a step towards the life you've always wanted. It's time to stop settling for less than you deserve and start pushing yourself to be the best version of yourself. It's time to give 120% and make your dreams a reality. So, let's do this together. Let's commit to giving our all, to challenging ourselves, and to striving for greatness, no matter how difficult the journey may be. Let's rise above the doubts, the fears, and the obstacles and show the world what we're truly made of.